Let's make cabbage and saltfish and okra. Simple, easy, and affordable. This is the meal you can have for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Let's make it. Hold on, don't move yet. May I go wash this and come back. Alright. All I want to do now is shred this. We're going to shred it. You can't shred this anyhow you want to shred it, because I steam, we're going to steam it. And I like say, we make shredded vegetable, okay? So you can just shred this however you want to shred it. Onion, bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, and some okra. You don't have to add this in yours if you don't like okra. You can skip this out, okay? I never saw so much people not like okra. But me love me some okra. Okra. Some okra. Okra. Me love okra, man. So I'm gonna add okra to mine. Okay? I'm gonna make this with some good old yellow yam, okay? I don't know. Hopefully this is a good yellow yam. The water boil up already, so we're gonna peel this to go in a pot, okay? Not look too bad. Wash this and come back. Nice and cute. Add some salt to the pot. Ooh. Some coconut oil. I start by boiling the saltfish to get rid of the excess salt. You can boil this twice if you like, or soak this overnight to get rid of the salt, okay? Let's go! Coconut oil, tomato, garlic, carrots. Now is when I like to add my okra, okay? Scallion and thyme, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, okay? You don't have to if you don't want to, okay? And a little bit of Scotch bonnet powder. Pimento berries. Cover for 5 minutes, allow to steam. And you can also cook this to your liking, okay? You could cook it longer, you could cook it less. This is all up to your liking, how long you want to cook it. All done. Time to plate this up. Look at this. Ooh. Scream a little louder. And just like that, we got cabbage, saltfish, and okra with some boiled dumpling and yellow yam. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Me have a good feeling about the yam, you know. Yeah, man. Look on it. Is it dry? Cut a smaller piece. The yam dry. I'm gonna take piece, man. Sure. I don't know my hours I share with you know. I'm gonna take piece. Alright. Every time I buy yam, I stop and shop. It never fails. Never fails. Always so dry. The perfect consistency what me I look for. Yam them always gotta stop and shop. Drop mic A1. It's simple but it a move mountain, like really good. And you can hear that the vegetable still has a little crunch to it. You hear that? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. tell me, do you like your saltfish with cabbage, okra, or callaloo? Which one do you like your saltfish with? Are you just like it plain, or probably butter beans? Which one you like it with? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys.